today we have a 2005 Volkswagen Golfin. Customer has had water in the boot and underneath the back seats. So if we just show you what's going on in the back. So what we've got the hose up on the arch, just spraying water on the back of the vent. If we go on in the inside, I've pulled this cover back so we can see there that the air vent is leaking water through and then filling up the box section down here, and then it's then coming into the car through this little section here, and then it will follow this guide all the way down to behind the back seats. If not, it's going to fall into where the spare wheel normally is. So that is leaking, and the other one is doing exactly the same. Instead of me getting the hose out, you can see the water on there, and if I just put my hand in this little box section, so you can see that it's full up with water. So same again, you can see the dirt trail there, so it'd be using this as a slide to get to the back seat, because as you can see it drops off there. So we advise to obviously get the rear vents changed, and we'll reseal the rear lights while we're there. The back seat is wet, it's damp, so we're probably going to recommend an overnight dry so we can put our pipes under here. But the customer did do very well for stopping it going down the footwells, because if it hit the footwells, obviously seats will have to come out because it has to be dried properly. A couple of reasons: obviously it can cause smell, it can cause mould, and everyone's least favourite, electrical problems as well. So we're just going to put a quote together, but there we go. We do recommend on these Volkswagens, underneath this front scuttle area, there's a blanking plate up here, and there's a pollen house and filter over there. We do advise cleaning this out and resealing them, because we have had them go in the past. So obviously we can put that on there, but that's only obviously for belt and braces, should we say. So there we go.